Here we're demonstrating 3D TV on a Motorola VIP 1002 set-top. Today operators can deploy 3D TV on their infrastructure, whether that's broadcast, satellite, IPTV, cable TV, to really any HD capable set-top box. But there are a number of things that we need to do in order to create a really good user experience. Firstly, we have to be able to switch the TV automatically between 2D and 3D mode. And this is important for operators. For example, if an operator was launching a 3D movie channel, the adverts may not be in 3D, they may only be in 2D. In which case what would happen is that if the TV was permanently in 3D mode, then that advert would be corrupted, which would not be a good user experience, and the advertisers would probably not be happy either. So what we have done here is that we've implemented HDMI 1.4a signaling, which tells the TV whether it's 2D or 3D and whether it's side-by-side or top and bottom panel format. And the set-top knows what type of content it is from the SCI bits in the MPEG-4 stream. The other thing we need to do is to address on-screen graphics. So if you imagine that we have a 3D frame with a left eye image compressed into half the frame and a right eye image compressed into half the frame, if we then overlay the graphic on top of that in the set-top, then when that graphic hits the TV will chop that graphic in half, it'll be stretched and the two halves superimposed, completely unusable. So what we have done is that we have addressed this in the CreateTV software. And that also applies to the program guide. So what we've done here is that, as you can see, it is a normal user interface that the consumer would see on their 2D channels. They now see it on their 3D channel as well. The only real difference is that we've lost some resolution because we've had to put the graphic in both halves of the frame, and when they have been stretched, we're obviously losing some resolution there. But what the real advantage for the operator is that it allows them to retain their existing middleware without any modification. One really neat feature is that we have the picture-in-picture still in 3D. So as you can see, this allows operators to deploy 3D TV services today with a really good user experience.